This is ZTE AXON 25G, and in today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in the Opera query, then open the app page and tap at the install button. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and install it, open it, and while launching Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, decide whether you are ready to set Opera as your default browser, and at this page you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for or finds crucial, and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.